Welcome back to the channel guys. Today I'm going to show you some simple ways to fix a slow MacBook and get it running smoothly again. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to make sure your MacBook is also working smoothly. So let's dive right into it. First, open your system settings from the Apple icon on the top left of your screen. Simply open your system settings and check your storage. If your disk is almost full, delete unnecessary files or move them to an external drive or iCloud. You can also use SSD as your external drive. Next, look at activity monitor. Open applications. Inside applications, you will see utility and you can go here and check the activity monitor from here as well and see which apps are using the most CPU or memory right now. Quit any heavy apps that you might not need. As you can see, I don't have any open app, so it will not show app itself, but it will show any other things that are currently working on the background of my MacBook. On the simple tip is to reset or restart your Mac regularly. It clears temporary files and frees up memories as well. Also, you can check your login items from system settings and you can remove apps that automatically start but aren't necessary. Finally, make sure your macOS is up to date, and updates often fix bugs and improve performance on Mac and iPhones as well. And there you go. Following these steps can really speed up your MacBook and make it feel like new. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe and share this video to your friends as well. For more MacBook tips, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.